Our story. In 1950, a young couple decided to make a life from their love of nature. They founded a company to produce tools for farmers and gardeners. Today, Asano Mokosho continues to be a family-owned and operated business, producing a wide variety of tools for many trades, always remaining true to the ideals of its founders. Strengths. Our products are designed and produced entirely in Japan in cooperation with many local skilled craftsmen in the Tsubame Sanjo area and distributed around the world. From the beginning, our company has been guided by the principles of our founders. Today, we continue that tradition by bringing the legacy of our founders to all our new products. We design and distribute our original products based on the needs of our customers, continuously refining our designs based on their wishes. This experience guides us to new strengths. The principles of human engineering are integrated into our design process, improving the comfort and functionality of our products. Wood for our products is obtained from environmentally sustainable sources. Waste material from the production of metal components is reused in the manufacture of secondary products. Design and human engineering. Quality materials. Craftsmanship. Environmental sustainability. Global distribution network. Tools for work. Tools for life. Asano Mokosho.